We've all been there. Bills pile up, that concert ticket you snagged seems to mock you from your calendar, and ramen noodles start looking mighty appealing. But what if there was a way to access your earned wages before your official payday? Enter DailyPay, a service that allows you to transfer a portion of your earned wages before your scheduled paycheck arrives. Sounds pretty sweet, right? But before you dive headfirst, there's one crucial step: verification. So, the burning question: how long does DailyPay take to verify your ID? That's exactly what we'll be tackling today. Buckle up, because we're about to break down the verification process, shed light on timelines, and explore some handy tips to get you started with DailyPay as quickly as possible. Why verification matters. DailyPay isn't handing out free money, although wouldn't that be nice? They're essentially fronting you a portion of your earned wages. To ensure everything is on the up and up, they need to verify your identity and employment status. This protects both you and DailyPay from fraud and keeps your hard-earned cash safe. The verification breakdown. DailyPay uses a multi-factor authentication process for verification. This typically involves a combination of the following. Email verification. You'll likely receive a verification email with a code you'll need to enter within the app or website. Phone verification. Similar to email verification, you might get a text message with a code to confirm your phone number. Government ID. Uploading a picture of your driver's license, passport, or state ID is a common verification method. Employment verification. DailyPay might need to confirm your employment with your employer directly. This process is usually quite fast and automated. The verification speed. Your personal DailyPay race. While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, most DailyPay users report getting verified within 24 hours. However, several factors can influence the verification timeline. Completeness of information. Ensure you provide all the required information accurately during sign-up. Incomplete details can lead to delays. Response time. If DailyPay needs to contact you for additional information, answer promptly to keep things moving smoothly. Weekends and holidays. Verification processes might slow down slightly over non-business days. Tips to speed up your DailyPay verification. Here are some pro tips to shave off precious minutes, or even hours, from your verification waiting time. Gather documents. Have your government ID and any other requested documents readily available during sign-up. Double-check details. Ensure all the information you enter, like your email address and phone number, is accurate and matches what your employer has on file. Weekend warrior? Sign up early. If you anticipate needing a quick transfer over a weekend, consider signing up for DailyPay a few days beforehand to give verification enough time. Beyond verification. Additional factors to consider. While verification is a crucial step, it's not the only factor affecting your access to DailyPay. Remember, employer participation. Your employer needs to offer DailyPay as a benefit for you to use the service. Pay period. DailyPay typically allows access to earned wages within a specific window of your pay period. Check with your employer or the DailyPay app for details. Transfer fees. DailyPay might have fees associated with transferring funds. Be sure to understand their fee structure before initiating a transfer. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay informed and make the most of your hard-earned cash. Remember, knowledge is power, and with DailyPay, you might just have a little more control over your finances.